Hello and welcome back to the complete course of Azure Machine Learning. Till now, we have learned how to train the model, how to score the model, how to deploy it, and how to create a pipeline, right? And now we will see how to schedule your pipeline, right? There would be the case that you need not to execute your model on a daily basis. You can execute your model either on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, fortnightly basis, or the weekly basis. So we will learn in this session how to create a schedule pipeline for the pipeline which you have already created, right? So let's start with the code. So here you need to import a library wherein azureml.pipeline.core having the schedule recurrence and the schedule. So there are two libraries which you need to import, and you need to mention the frequency in a schedule recurrence, that whether it is daily, monthly, and what would be the interval, whether it would be executed twice in a day or whether it would be executed once in a day. So that you need to mention. Once you will mention this part, then you need to create a schedule. So while creating a schedule, first of all you need to mention where are you creating a schedule. You have to mention the workspace. So that's name, the workspace name, the name of the schedule pipeline, the description, what is a pipeline ID, and the experiment name on which you will execute it. And finally, you will pass the object of a schedule recurrence over here. And by this way, you can schedule your pipeline as well as your whole machine learning steps into an Azure machine learning, right? Thank you.